Welcome to Hypixel Asuna. Hang on, guys. I saw Asuna skin. Sword up line. Okay, I want a Kirito skin. That's just rude. Okay, we're doing 3v3. So that's pretty good. We usually do 4v4 or 1v1 or v1v1v1, but it's gonna be fun. I can't believe we actually thought it was fan Asuna skin. So if you don't know, that's Sword Art Online. That's the main character's wife or girlfriend, whatever. So I suppose I want a Kirito skin now. Oh. Or Blue Exorcist skin. That'd be nice. Hello. It's very big eyes. Okay. Why? You try to destroy the bed. Okay, so we have. If it's. Wait. I thought the say it's obviously going to be odd person, but it's not. 3. Oh, don't do that. Okay, it's 2v2. I hope I can get TNT. It's usually cheaper. No, it's cheaper 1v1s. That's all blues. Fans speedy today. I need one more gold, mate. Get this gold. I need this TNT. Yep, TNT. Bam, sword. I want some. Let's get some of that wood. Actually, no, I can get some something good. Get. There we go. Got stronger stuff. Okay. Right, okay, I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna double layer that for more protection. So we got. Okay, we need 2 more. Let's get some wood. Now we go there and wood. Let's need some emeralds as well. Don't judge my designing. Because you also need to defend the top, because people usually do a TNT rush that I like doing to other people, so you do need to protect the top a lot. Okay, I need the teammate to get us some emerald for the, I just need emerald, okay, don't judge me. Okay, so we get more wood, and some glass as well. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Okay, that wasted our TNT rush, but we just need 1 more for it. Okay, now this is defended. Oh, he's gonna break through this. It's my idiot building. I don't know where the bed is. Right, 1 more. Oh! TNT plus wood. Get some more of this. I feel quite confident with our beds. I want this to be foolproof. No one can break this. This is way too much, it's just a big block. I'm gonna get some more green wool, so then we can do our rush tactic, and also go for emeralds, and also halfway through, I'm gonna go that. So that's gonna slow them down for a bit. Now we can also get there quite easily. Oh, he's better armor than me, but I believe he is lower. Oh, got one. Help me, mate. Oh, I had my TNT and everything. Okay. My plan... Oh, cool. Plan kind of failed. Get him! Oh! Oh! I'm a legend. Okay, I've got 2 people with just... Actually, just one with a wooden sword, but... Anyway. Wait, what did you put in the chest? I need a bit more iron. Now I'm gonna get a sword. Some more. With this sword, I'm gonna defend this, because they're probably gonna come back. Yeah, I can see them here. So we can big boy layer it. It's gonna give them a little bit of a while to get there. And I'm gonna hopefully do my TNT rush. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, a bit lag there. Okay, what we got? What, green, yellow, blue. Who's that? Right, yellow has 3, and we got 2 teams. Right. So we're outnumbered by 1 person. So it's fine. So somebody probably left the moment that we... Oh. Well, I'm there. Okay, that's gonna stop them. This is gonna stop me getting through, but... See me. Oh! Oh! Oh, this genius. This is a TNT rush, everyone. It is pretty intelligent, because they can't touch me, and TNT is very powerful in this. Right, I thought I would survive that. Red out our base. Woo! Oh, no. No, 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 we're gonna die, we're gonna die. No, 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 no. No. Right, mate, you need to know when people are attacking us. Come on. Right, I'm gonna put some of... Oh! They broke through. Right, because we're outnumbered, we need a camp. I think TNT rush, just let them kill each other. And then TNT rush them at the end. Yeah, mate, I'm gonna defend this a bit more. Very weirdly, but it's gonna work. Our base is a state. Right, okay, I'm gonna get some that. Now I need friggin' more diamond for my TNT rush. 2 more. Sorry if I'm spamming my keyboard, it's quite fancy. Okay, wait. Well, is it somebody? If I saw a character? Yeah. It's a teammate, sorry. Got hiccups. Okay, now I can do it. Okay, I'm a bit extra. How much do I need for armor? Or do it? Right. I'm gonna deposit this. I'm gonna do my TNT rush again. Oh! Genius. Okay, that's gonna iron golems cost a lot of iron, but they're very good. Okay, so now we should go for not green. Green's us. I'm an idiot. Okay, we need to go for red. Yeah. Speaking of you, I'm just gonna place it to kill them both, but right. Go. Okay, so we're gonna go for emerald, and I've got an axe for their wood.
Wow.
Okay, now let's see. I didn't have a lot of stuff, and they got it's pretty nifty protection. Right. Okay. Luckily we keep the axe when we die. The video might need to stop halfway through, but I'll only upload this if we win. So wait, one more, come on, TNT rush. Come on. It's quite hard because there's so much people for TNT rush. But 4v4, good, it's easier, but with this it's too much people. TNT, boom. Iron, how much do we have? Oh, I don't have enough for better armor, but I will save up for it. Oh, okay, he's going. Okay, he's a smarty pants, this one. Okay. We need to might do a different route there, because all these are connected, so they wouldn't expect me going this way. But I gotta keep a good watch on them, because they look like they're gonna... Oh, I'm a complete idiot. Oh, red's coming over. Gotta think fast. There. Got a good sword. Not really, but... Oh. You fucked off completely. Sorry for the language, but come on. Right, I'm gonna defend this a bit more. So, just gonna slow them down. I don't have a lot of materials. It's just gonna be a little rush. And a bit of iron for the other team. So red's gonna be the next target. Oh, diamond. Quite fancy. You level ground. Whoa! This big flash light. You still. We need a bit more. 40 better armor. Okay. I'm going to stop this video, so bye.